SutureOut is the brand new tool developed by a plastic surgeon for taking out stitches safely and effortlessly. Nurses and other practitioners know all too well the frustrations of taking out stitches, tightly tied knots, embedded stitches, uncooperative patients. These all make the job of the practitioner frustrating and difficult. SutureOut simplifies the process by changing the whole approach, from inside out to outside in. Using conventional suture removal tools such as scissors or number 11 scalpel blades to remove stitches can be challenging for the practitioner, uncomfortable for the patient, and even disruptive to a freshly healed wound. Suture removal can be especially challenging with tightly tied knots, sutures embedded in dry blood, and uncooperative or anxious patients. Conventional suture removal scissors use an inside-out approach to cut the stitch. This means that a cutting tip needs to be inserted into the tied loop in order to cut and remove the suture. An exposed blade is dangerous to use, particularly with an uncooperative patient. In many cases, the conventional process can be tricky, even for experienced healthcare workers, and can cause undue discomfort for patients if not performed skillfully. Furthermore, once all the sutures have been successfully removed, they often end up scattered all over the workspace, requiring cleanup. SutureOut solves all these problems and has three main advantages over scissors and blades. 1. Innovative cutting approach. SutureOut uses an outside-in cutting approach, which is quick, easy, and super versatile, making removal of even the most tightly tied suture loops far easier. Instead of pulling on the stitch, the practitioner simply holds it in place with forceps and press the SutureOut cutting edge under the tied knot to sever the loop and remove the stitch. It's a better and easier process for both the practitioner and the patient. 2. Guarded blade technology. SutureOut uses a guarded blade design, which avoids accidental injury to the patient's skin compared to the unguarded tips of scissors or number 11 scalpel blades. This enables the practitioner to work more comfortably and quickly. In some cases, the patient can be sent home with a kit to remove their own stitches. 3. Hygienic suture disposal. Removed knots are efficiently collected on SutureOut's tacky surface. Eliminate cleanup of scattered sutures. Save time and have a more hygienic workspace. No need to use ancillary equipment such as 4x4 gauze or a basin. SutureOut makes the entire process more efficient from start to finish, enabling you to provide better care for your patients. SutureOut is available as a kit containing a SutureOut suture removal tool and disposable forceps, or as a SutureOut cutting tool only for those wishing to use their own non-disposable forceps. Join the suture removal revolution. Your patients will thank you. Visit www.sutureout.com.